I guess Tony here. Also, Polygon is absolutely ripping, dude. It's been running super hard for the last like a month or so. It kind of makes me sad that I sold a couple grand from this position to buy into LSS, but obviously I'm not upset because I did like a 4 or 5x on LSS, so I obviously made more money on that. But yeah, MATIC is definitely ripping. I think I told you guys from before. I think I made a video prior to this where I said that I do think that MATIC is going to be one of the huge gainers in this next altcoin rally if you do have one. I think it'll easily surpass its previous high of $2.83. I think it's valued at what, 12 billion. I think MATIC can easily go to like $100 billion. And the reason being is because Polygon is going to be it's going to be the central source of payment for Coinbase's NFT platform, and it's going to be that's how you're going to be paying. That's how you're going to be receiving money and paying for the NFTs. And it's also, it's basically like if Ethereum is gas, then Polygon is electricity. That's the easiest way that I can explain it. And I think that Polygon's gonna keep ripping. I don't think I'm ever gonna sell my Polygon. If anything, I'm gonna find a way to stake it if you can. I don't know if you can or not, but I think it's gonna keep running, man. I honestly think that Polygon's gonna keep running, and it's gonna be one of the better gainers in the altcoin season, at least one of the more popular gainers when it comes to actually all season. So I'll see you guys later. Polygon doing really well. I would definitely put in more money right now if I had more liquid. Here's an update on my portfolio overall. I have another like 12K in Coinbase Pro. Oh, we saw a drop there, probably Shiba Inu, yeah. I have another like 12-ish K in my Coinbase Pro, and I think my KuCoin is close to like 20K. So I don't know where that's at. Close to like 100K overall. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.